Wow. That's high. Oh man. Probably why my drain in the basement is making so much noise. Water is over the park. Wow. April 16th, 2018. Look at how high that is. Wow. Look at that. It was higher than that. Look at all the trees, all the rubbish caught. Look at that. It was higher than that. You can see how wet it is. This is what floods my basement when it gets this high. It may have come over this. Wow. Yeah, probably. See how the water is there? Probably came over. Oh man. Trees actually branches in the water. Look at that. Wow. There's drainage pipes in there. They're low. Those drainage pipes get flooded, then the water goes back up those pipes and floods people's basements. You can only imagine some of my neighbors right now are flooded. Some of them, especially the guy in the corner over there, his basement always gets flooded and he's going to have to throw out a lot of stuff. A couple people on the corner, when they come home, they'll also be flooded. This is a bathroom. This is flooded. It looks like it's sinking in the ground. Look at that. And the water is receding. It was higher than that. It's been about an hour since the rain stopped. That's the bathrooms. Booth Park. The park's gonna be underwater. That. They just made a mistake when they put it so close to it. They should have raised it up or something. Some kind of drainage system. It's a bath. It's a mud bath. Look at this mud bath. Look at that. The park is underwater. Oh wow. Hitting the bridge. They don't. This is just one problem with this town. They just don't know what to do with this creek. Creek rains like that, overflows. Park is flooded. Done. Look how much area is flooded. Loosen. Look at this. Look at this creek. There's a wall here that goes all the way out. It's gone. My goodness, you actually could dangerously walk across this and not know that there's a big, dip of the wall there. Gone. Wow. You can't even get over that bridge right now. Look at that. Trees floating. Park is underwater. It's possible if you have a basement here, you could be flooded. Look at that water. Look how high it is on that bridge. All the debris. See the debris on top? This is just kicking it up. Probably was higher than that earlier. Say to there, the water line. That's how far. Stopped right there. Came up that high. So up in there, right there. That's how it was earlier, so which means it was higher. That's center. See birds having a good time over there. This is 4/17/2018. This is the day after the storm, where this whole park was flooded. As you can see, it's a park. All that was underwater. Somehow that tree became, that tree was actually up on top, floated down with the water. That was underwater. That whole thing right here was underwater. So if you stepped off this, as I've seen somebody do before, you would fall down and not even know that you fell into an abyss, because this runs along. So this was all underwater. You see all the debris over there has captured itself. This was all underwater. So by chance you walked out this and were actually in, say, a foot of water, you would be over your head in water at this point. That was filled to the top. See how it goes all the way out? That was all underwater right there.
Where is that coming from?
I've seen somebody walk off that before. Still a little deep right there.
Where is this coming from?
All underwater. That was all underwater. It's all mud. Big mud bath. It's a shame. Again, that creek can't handle the water. And the park is still underwater. That'll take a while. Need a lot of sunlight to dry that up. Instead of fixing the Yannico Park over there, they should have fixed this park. There's nothing wrong with the Yannico Park. This is the one that needs to be fixed, redone. Figure out how can they keep the water out of here. It'll be like that for days. It's a big mud bath in there. Somebody over. It's windy out here too. So the bathroom is not underwater anymore. See some of the debris left over. Tree branches came in. It's a mess. Water is down. You see the big drain pipe that gets underwater. See that? Water starts going backwards up it. Floods people's basements. These houses over here, the sump pumps are still going. Basements are still flooded. That's one thing about living over here by the creek. And I'm all the way down and I'm still getting flooded. So you can imagine these houses. When this water comes up over this trestle, forget about it. These basements are underwater. It's a nightmare to all these people. And mainly, this town, this creek just can't handle the water flow. That's a lot different now than it was yesterday. A lot of debris left.
There was like a boat over the tank.
Look at all the debris. Trapped. Wow. That's some pump right there. Some pump's pumping. It's pretty high. Damn it. I can't walk through this park anyway. It's high over there.